Kasengsan Partai United Democratic Party UDP hakasengi palai jangatayo kelashi mekarai bakandang don bej hak sorkar senrop lang Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA kabalayalam da keseng National People's Party. Katba keseng Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP kalapan pau baka kwah bakan mihnoh na kekenhuan Regional Democratic Alliance RDA kabari kekenhuan jo keseng UDP bad HSPDP hadin kejing bamla ban lek bahai ke election MP syakalok sabha kabadang syudap dangshan. Habai keren bikinong patai kubor unang yalam ke UDP uba poleng do ubalong menteri ke sorkar jela. Ula pensyai baka UDP kalarai bakan weng no eladia na ke sorkar senrop lang kebelayalam da keseng NPP. Badai kene karai la syem dangshan ha kejing yalang jong keseng UDP hadin kejing kemi bajing bishar benia kejing bamla ban lek baha kekenhuan Regional Democratic Alliance ha ke election MP syakalok sabha. Uba poleng do ulong bakiladon kejing pensno ki bapersya bandon lang ha ke sorkar MDA. Ndai kesor ke babun hi ki bami kadai bandang ne baja ke sorkar MDA. Bagani kejeng persya kala jai-jai no hadian balayang ha kenong rem ba omla ban syem baki election MP kadai kejeng persya ekrukom trekam jong ke MDA. Kabadang syedap dang sisnem. Ula ainuk sa kumbagalong kejeng yakun ya ke Euro Cup. On omla banitul upai ke result hadok menakut di kejeng yakun. Kumta ke MDA keempat poi hiru tang syiteng kejeng yak lenti jongka. Lada ong bagai UDP kala lek seniau namar bagai trailang bat ke NPP nrai kumno pat an pensyai baga kertong ke NPP kala la bani of vote ado iway point san lak vote. Kadbau kertong UDP cemlala ban kenjo syakasan po hajar vote. Uba poleng do ula ong ba kan sedon ke election MDC kumta ha ka KHEDC kadan keseng kongres ke betrailang bat ke executive committee jong ke NPP. Kumta kerukom mele kelong kebai perbak labak bat omla ban penyak lek lang gini baro bat bani nujor yaki. Working President ke UDP ulong bakadi ke surjong pabun balang ubakwa bandang don lang ag sorkar MDA. Ulong bakam dai tang ke UDP ke belaram habaro khat art ligi seat. Baro ke sengsan pertai ke laram haman laki laipun reut ligi constituency. Ha ka ba ka VPP kelala banwan nengkong haki Life South ligi constituency. Kumta ke election ke pair kawai na kawai pat. Nong yalam ke UDP uba poleng do ulih thuru bagi HSPDP ke lashi megarai ban mihnoh na kekenhuan Regional Democratic Alliance. Hadin kejing bamla ban lek baha ke election MP syakalok sabha parulong bakila ban sngo bagadai ke baha ban yak no hala ke jong kelenti. Namar syemla kenjo watang sanak sispa ha kejingyo ka vote. Nrai lada ke UDP ke lekon marwai kala bantam yakani kejingyo vote. Ulong bagane kedai tang kejeng penpau jong keseng HSPDP ndrai syan kense kenduk benekaran penbed halor kene kamat.
There are multiple factors for the failure of the RDA candidate, which is why, as you can see, even the HSPDP has decided to pull out of the RDA. So these are factors that are important for you to take into account. It's now a lot of factors were at work, and one of them was also the fact that we could not galvanize our entire cadres in a manner that we should have done. And the decision of the RDA, the name of the candidate was declared at the 11th hour, a year after the VPP candidate has gone touring around. So all political parties had lost throughout the 36 constituencies where the VPP managed to be number one in 34 of the 36 assembly segments. So it's a watershed moment for electoral politics in Meghalaya. But again, I would reiterate that each election is different from the other one. At the end of the ADC elections, you will see different results. But we do acknowledge the fact that we have an entrant like the VPP. It does make us, look back and try to improve upon where we think we have not been paying adequate attention. Meeting where we assessed the performance of the party in the just concluded Lok Sabha elections, we zeroed in on a number of factors leading to that dismal performance of the RDA. And of course, there were voices against our continuing in the MDA, but there were also more voices in favor of our remaining in the MDA. And ultimately, it boils down to one thing: elections to the Lok Sabha cannot be treated as a referendum on the performance of the MDA, which has just completed 1 year of its existence. It's like saying that you judge the performance of a team before it even reaches the halfway mark. You know, with the Euro Cup games going on, you can't really predict the results until the last minute of the game. Now we have not even reached a point of the halfway mark. So that is one. The Lok Sabha elections are not a referendum. Two, if we say that the UDP fared badly because of its association with the NPP, then how do you explain the fact that the NPP candidate could muster more votes, 1.5 votes, 1.5 lakh votes, while the UDP candidate could not reach 50,000 votes? So likewise, NPP might say that we fared badly because of our association with the UDP. So these do not meet the ends of logic and common sense. And each election is different from the other. So again, we have the ADC elections coming up. In the district council, KHADC at least, we even have the Congress working in tandem with the EC of the NPP. So it's a different ballgame altogether. You can't really mix, match and compare the three. It certainly is the voice of the majority, otherwise there would have been a formal resolution to part ways, which never happened. But yes, there were voices which expressed concern about the dismal performance, and various factors were brought as leading to that performance. But overall, fact of the matter is that the VPP enjoyed the fact that it is a new entrant into electoral politics with no past records of having been in government.